The moon was shining on the lake at night. The Slayer t-shirt fit the scene just right. You smeared mascara, I looked into your eyes and saw a light. You told me stories about your chickadees. They didn't like read big guns or stupid archery. You charmed the lifeguard, he let them use the pool all day for free. Then the conversation stopped and I looked down at my feet. I was next to you and you were right there next to me. Then I said, go!